Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Asplenia here. Just kind of go over an unboxing here. It's the Tamiya Volkswagen Beetle Rally Volkswagen. The Beetle Rally chassis is an MF-01X, and yeah, I'm looking forward to actually building this. So let's kind of go over what it comes with. Just going around the box here. A lot of box art. Looking forward to it. To the build on this. Here's some tune-up parts you can do. It's officially licensed for Volkswagen too, so that makes it even nicer. And just more parts of the box. So I think we should get this opened up and see what it looks like inside. Don't mind me just having a drink here while I narrate. Alright, so using the old knife and looking at the back of my head. Let's put that knife away. Yeah, better safe than sorry. Alright, let's open this up. Open. Boxes are open. Alright, let's throw that over there. Alright, let's see what's inside this box. Alright, as we look in here, here's the first item. And it looks to be a lot of the chrome parts. Can be front and rear bumper, headlights, and I'm not sure what the white parts are. But yeah, everything looks really nice. Perfect Tamiya stuff. You know how it is. Alright, let's take a look at the hardware bags. Let's get this opened up and see what we can find inside there. Looking at it right now, we can see the motor. Alright, as I open it up, what do we see here? Alright, bag number C. Classic C bag. Looks like there's some steering parts in there and some other accessories and fittings. Alright, we are now coming to the transmission. Look how beefy that is. All those gears are... Oh, you can put a lot of power to this. Alright, what else we got here? The old B-bag. Yeah, it looks like it's got some gears, stuff like that for the transmission. Just throw that over there. Alright, opening up here. We got a lot of the steered linkages. This is going to be bag number A. And more transmission stuff, and a little T-wrench there for your nuts. Alright, let's see what else we got. The classic Mabachi 540 motor silver can. These things are amazing. I love them. You can actually throw a 3S on them and just monitor the temp of it, but yeah, they'll take it no problem. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, the body pin bag, and then we got some two-sided tape. It always comes in handy when you're putting down your receiver. And the ESC. Alright, more steering stuff. That's always good. Nothing like having a model that steers, huh? Okay, what else we got here? I'm excited. Alright, it looks like bag D. The old D bag. Love it. Yeah, so we got springs on there. A whole bunch of other things. Can't really see. Some gears. It looks like a pinion gear in there, etc. Alright, and we're pulling out the drive shaft. So this is new to me. I really haven't seen one like that. So let's put that back in the bag. Don't want to lose the old drive shaft. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, the precious body. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. I thought it'd be like the size of the monster beetle, but it's actually quite smaller. It's very cute. I like it. It's got lots of detail on it, front and back, and we're just going to set it over here. Over here is technically the freezer. Okay, now we're looking at the red bag of parts. It looks like it is some steering parts and knuckles. We're just going to throw that over there. The next bag looks like it is body mounts and other accessories. I'm going to try to keep it under the camera so you can't see anything. Alright, now we have lights here. That's going to be for the fog lamps or running lamps. What do we got here? Looks more like chassis parts. Yeah. Classic Tamiya black, so that's all good. We know how durable that is. And what else are we coming up here? And, okay, again, maybe more transmission parts. Some wheel hubs in there. Yep, alright. Let's put that over there. Good job, Asplenia. Okay, so what do we got here? The wheels. Yeah, I like those. I think my CRX has those as well. And I'm not going to show you guys anything, but those are actually rally tires. and I'm trying to show them on camera, but obviously it's down below the camera, so we'll throw that back. And can't pick this thing up. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Yeah, so that's the antenna tube. So as we go through here, oh, there's the decals. Look at that. Oh, it's going to look great. Is there anything on the back there, Asplenia? Let's see. Aha, there are the window decals. That's cool. All right. Yeah, so that's actually how to sticker it up. And then we go through the manual. Typical Tamiya manual. Has all the part numbers. Great steps on how to put everything together. And I think this manual also has the Pajero in it. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Yeah, MF-01X. So yeah, so that's kind of the unboxing of the Tamiya Volkswagen Beetle Rally. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good kit, like most Tamiyas are. It's always fun to open one of these up and do an unboxing video. And oh, there's the body again. Look at that. And yeah, so anyway, I mean, if you liked the video and found it informative, please hit the like button. Leave some details down below and I'll get back to you if you have any questions. And yeah, let's just watch for a couple seconds as I fill this bag up with parts. A, B, C, and D bags and all this stuff. Oh, there's this double-sided sticky. I'm just going to rub the top of the body there just to show you it's still there. And oh dear, yeah, I don't think those will fit in there, Asplenia. Yeah. Alright, let's just throw that back in. And I'm going to throw those plastic parts on top. This was one of the easiest putting back boxes ever. Alright. Alright, so we got it all there. And we are going to put the body back on, or the box lid back on. So again, don't forget to hit the, come on box. There we go. Nice tight fit. Alright, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And yeah, I think I'll do a thumbs up here. There we go. Hit the like button. You're number one. Like button. Wow, at least I'm not repetitive. Go! Have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.